Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS, text alignment and the CSS directions. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS vertical alignment. The CSS vertical alignment property sets the vertical alignment of an element. For example, right here we are going to specify vertical alignment of an image and also of a text. So back to our document. This is what we have in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the vertical alignments and along with some values. Right now we are using value of super instead of this sub. So quickly, I don't want us to talk much about this. Let's just use super. When we specify the super in it, don't you forget we are selecting our image and our span element, which is this our image and this our which is this our image and this is our span element. If you don't know how we got to understand this selecting multiple elements, you can check our CSS selector playlist for you to understand it and follow along easily. This is our vertical alignment property we are using, and also this is the super value we are specifying in it. Let's save our document and see how it reacts to our document. Now let's press reload. Can you see when I press reload? When I press reload, if you notice very well, this our span element, which is our text, really reacts to it very well. As you can see, it comes to the top. Even our image also reacts to it, even though it doesn't react to it like the way it reacts to the text top, which we used previously in our previous tutorials. Let me use the text top so you can see when we use the text top, only our image, only this purple image is the one that reacts to it very well. This our span element is not react to it very well. Can you see? It's only our image that reacts to it very well. So I want you guys to notice very well that one thing I want you to take in is that we have used the if you notice very well, we have used the sub value, we have used the text. Firstly, let me change it to the baseline. This baseline is the default value. Can you see the way our element reacts to it? You can check our previous tutorial on the CSS vertical alignment of the base value, and we have discussed about the sub value. No, we have discussed about sub value. The sub value is the one that reacts to it. Can you see the way they react to it? And it's so nicely. And we have discussed about the super also. We have discussed about the super, the vertical alignment of super. Can you see how they react to it? And also we have also discussed about text top, text bottom. Where we discussed about the text bottom, we notice our image is the one that reacts to it very well right here. And when we discuss about the text top, when we save this and we reload our document, we notice our image is also the one that reacts to it very well. Also this one also, can you see how they work together? So please, I will want you guys to practice this, because practice makes perfect. There's no way you can understand this deeper unless you practice this yourself. Can you see when I reload to the, can you see when I give it super now, our image, our text, both of it reacts to. So and our image reacts to it the most. So that's what I want you guys to notice right here. When we get to the advanced level, we are still going to be exploring this in much more advanced way, because we still have a lot of things to discuss about. Please, I just want us to keep going gently, because we are still getting to the advanced level gradually. If you have been following me along reach all this moment, I will say you should clap for yourself, because we have been going a long way. So let's just continue discussion. What we have been covering so far, we have covered the CSS text alignment and the direction properties of direction property, text align property, the text align last property. We have discussed about the Unicode BD property, vertical align property, and so on and so forth. The direction property specifies the text direction or the writing direction, and also the text align property specifies the horizontal alignment of text. The text align last property is the one that shows how to align the last line of a text, and also the Unicode BD is used together with the direction property just to set or return whether the text should be overridden to support multiple languages in the same document. So and also the vertical align property sets the vertical alignment of an element. So we have used all this reasonably, and we really try with this. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again, I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. And